Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Fine & Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today I've got a little treat for you. We're in a fabulous village of Alkmonton in Ashbourne. Look at this beautiful picturesque house behind me called the Schoolhouse. Now built back in 1856 as the main sort of schoolhouse of the village. Recently it's been fully transformed into a fantastic 3/4 bedroom detached house. Got a fantastic garden here. We've got a massive corner plot right in the middle of the village. Fantastic location for schools, at the A50 as well, and today we're going to have a look around. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you've agreed. The vendor's done an absolutely amazing job with the property. Fantastic modern kitchen. There's actually 4 reception rooms downstairs, one of which could be a bedroom. It's currently used as a study. So we're looking at a 4-bedroom property with a ground floor bedroom here as well. Beautiful, straightforward lawn gardens, big garage, you've got a chicken coop and everything around there. They actually own the drive that leads around the corner as well, but the gates then seclude the property in what is an absolutely beautiful location. So if you'd like to learn more about this house, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll see you soon.